And we back with another video, guys. Your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Alright, so guys, we're back again with Tanto Wavie.
Back.
This one Takura, and I feel like Arigam. This one,
Yeah,
I'm fine Arigam.
Arigam.
So I'm not gonna waste your time. This is from the album Sungura Museve. So let's hear. I introduce Zoti of the bad guy. Zoti beat Nungaraib. Hook Nungaraib. Before you even get into beat hook Zoti. So Patrungu also did a verse. Otherwise, this is correct.
Correct.
Yeah. So if you didn't know Tanto Wavie, if you didn't listen to Tanto Wavie, you're welcome. Let's get into the video. Let's get it.
It sounds like this beat. What fun is it?
Nachifunga trade. Ufunga trade. But excuse that so give.
Kayzano music.
Tanto Wavie. Angori maki. Chupiti cha Tanto Wavie. Takura.
Guys.
Hook.
Yeah, I'm not the key. I've got one thing I need to know. Don't get drama Peter again.
Yeah.
If you tell me
if
you tell me Tanto Wavie,
guys,
I mira to Mostari says mira 2 minutes. I thought but guys
Takura. Chijimizwa Takura. Angori maki. Chupiti cha Tanto Wavie. Takura. Chijimizwa taijuwira tichiriva diki chazvita Takura.
Like we said, if it's hook, if it's beat, Tanto correct. Most of the album, someone in my feature.
Taijuwira tichiriva diki chazvita Takura. Zvakawanda zvotaizviwa tichiriva diki chazvita Takura. Zvizhinji
Yo, but it's like one sound is always in this. It's always in his songs.
Taizviwa tichiriva diki chazvita Takura.
Yeah. And my song Akawanda.
It's in a rubber vibe.
It's in almost, I think, not all his songs, but I don't know, most of the songs. But then it's always different, it's always unique. I don't know why, but look at that. Look at
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Did you see how he let that beat rest?
Yes, sir.
Tichiriva diki chazvita Takura.
Wait. Sungura like it.
Iwe, Chep Sungura. Wakutanya ukudzokera.
Zvakawanda zvotaizviwa tichiriva diki chazvita Takura. Nyangwe kumahungu taizviita izuva namudhara.
I'm the father, head of the house. I'm my home.
I'm dad. Who was like a
Okay.
Alright.
Tichiti Takura kumaumbo taizviita isuwa namdara. Tichiti Takura mazite nemahombe isusu tichamagara. Kutrava majako mushengenene, magrinzi makepekepe, kupusa semakadzi kuti skipike pele. Asi zvese zvakadhakwa zvakamwa mama.
Guys, is it me kana ndikufara flow yaruite?
Hey, what it is?
Ndine guys. I don't know. Oh man. Anchazini.
Aiwa akaipa. Aiwa. Yeah.
Kepele chuve close.
Mushengenene, magrinzi makepekepe, kupusa semakadzi kuti skipike pele. Asi zvese zvakadhakwa zvakamwa mama. Ndisikufamba ndiri kubvaruka but ndichitsvaga kari padheni handisikurara ndiri kutsvaga mari yakawanda.
Do you get the message in this song?
Yeah, I get it.
Hansi, when we were young and we used to dream about having money, having houses, having cars when you grew up.
Yeah.
But Hansi Zhakatau, it's all, I can't say it's a lie, but it's still a dream. And this is tweet out Mari.
Yeah, hustling.
Hey, we're hustling basically. That's deep.
Nekutsongo kunge ndiri kutsvagwa nemasinambo. Hazvisiyi zvondaiona, life yacho iri kundiprona. Takura zvizhinji zvataizviwira tichiri vadiki tichiti tichazviita takura. Zvakawanda zvataizviwa tichiri vadiki tichiti tichazviita takura.
Guys, I'm sorry, but this song,
This is a banger.
wait, it also you play a bass.
Iba bass.
Yeah.
This is a banger, guys. No cap. Song baby. This is a hit. I don't know if you haven't heard of Tanto before, but if you still think Tanto Katawa, I mean,
zvizhinji zvataizviwira tichiri vadiki tichiti tichazviita takura. Zvakawanda zvataizviwa tichiri vadiki tichiti tichazviita takura. Big dreams, tichiri mudiki ndaidrima big. Asi life yacho haisi easy, vakuru vakati kuraone. Samaita mbinga sachinimbi, asi makwikwikwi, asi mavhanizi ndiri kuzama ese matringi. Zvinozeza pfungwa izvi, zvinodhipureza maini. Kuti ndatukura ndakutokwegura zini ndisina kana ndai. Ndoda kufadza amai, Mwari ndovabvunza kuti why. Aisiriyo picture yandaiona iyi ndichiri mugrade 1. Takura.
and I see your picture and they want to grade 1.
Yeah.
Because obviously everyone had a big dream, and not everyone is living that dream to this day. And the Jaiwu Zoti, which has won our cooler week.
Yeah, but the Pongo young, it was easy, you know.
No, I like the whole vibe to the song completely. Like the whole vibe, the whole message, the whole whatever's going on. Guy, I'm for it.
Yeah.
Takura zvizhinji zvataizviwira tichiri vadiki tichiti tichazviita takura. Zvakawanda zvataizviwa tichiri vadiki tichiti tichazviita takura. Zvizhinji zvataizviwira tichiri vadiki tichiti tichazviita takura. Zvakawanda zvataizviwa tichiri vadiki tichiti tichazviita takura.
Shout out to Tanto Wavie, guys. Shout out to Tanto Wavie. If you're not going to check this song already, I can also download it. I'm not right as it. Please go stream the album, go stream the song, guys. This is
It's crazy.
if you do not feel that song, if you don't feel it with us, catch you catch two.
Catch two.
What's When on what you think, because if you're still sleeping, I don't know. I actually don't know.
Yeah,
I just would
people are still
talk batirasi.
People are still sleeping.
We're giving you the artist, but talk batirasi. I just see. What more do you need?
What more do you need, guys?
Trap and Sungura. You are almost rotating. Trap and Sungura.
Jera like Jera trap chat.
Why don't I change this Sungura Gatagua? Man, Sungura have spice. Man.
It's just like it's in the trap, you know.
Alright, so guys, that's the end of the reaction, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Go check out the song, go check out the album. I promise you it's a banger. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Yes, sir.